Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Are you looking for a quick and easy way to collect information directly into your Notion workspace without paying for pricey form tools or wrestling with complicated setups? In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you step by step through how to build a completely free Notion form using Fillout. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create a simple, professional form, connect it to Notion, and share it with anyone, or even embed it right inside your pages. Let's dive in. First, you'll need to pick a template for your form. Fillout gives you a bunch of handy pre-made templates designed for everything from feedback surveys to event RSVPs. Choosing a template is a great way to save time, especially if you want your form to look polished. Think of it like grabbing a blueprint before starting a small DIY project. Of course, you can always customize the questions later, but starting with a ready-made template gives you a head start and keeps things organized. Once you've got your template, move over to the integration settings. Here, we want to connect your form to Notion so that responses land right where you want them. In the integration list, go ahead and choose Notion. If this is your first time, Fillout will ask you to allow access to your Notion workspace. Just follow the prompts. It might feel like a few extra clicks, but it's important for keeping your data secure and making sure Fillout can actually send information into your Notion databases. If you've already integrated Notion before, you won't have to do this step again, which is a nice little time saver. Now, click on Notion and you'll see a list of your available databases. Select the database where you want the form responses to go. For example, if you have a contact request page in Notion, you might choose that database so every new submission gets logged right where you expect it. Next, select the form you're working on. This links everything together, making sure the answers people give actually appear in the right place. Click Continue, and you'll be prompted to update the Notion page. This step is basically confirming the link between your form and the database. It's like double-checking the address before sending out invitations. Once you've updated the page, click Finish Setup. Don't worry if this part takes a minute, especially if you have a lot of databases and pages in Notion. That's totally normal. With the setup finished, it's time to preview your form. Clicking Preview lets you experience what your users will see, and it's always a good idea to double-check the layout, question order, and make sure everything feels welcoming and clear. Think of this like a test flight before opening the airplane to passengers. After previewing, do a quick test submission. This helps you spot any hiccups, like a missing required field or a typo, before you send it out to real people. If everything looks good, hit Publish. You'll see a link you can copy and share with anyone you like. You can send this in an email, drop it in a team Slack, or even embed the form directly inside your Notion page. Embedding is hugely useful. Now your users can fill out the form without ever leaving your workspace. And that's really all there is to it. Creating free Notion forms with Fillout is quick, intuitive, and super convenient for any workflow. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and drop a comment below if you have any questions or run into any issues. I always love hearing from you and helping out, and if you want more guides like this, make sure to subscribe and join the community. Thanks for watching, and happy form building!